Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing, so I'm just here to talk to you guys and just let you know like where I've been, what's going on, and why I have not uploaded any video in 2 whole months. So I last uploaded my last video I think early December, like the beginning of December. Then of course it was December, so I went back to Zim for the holidays, and then I came back in January. And when I came back in January this year, I decided to move to Johannesburg. I just decided to take a gamble and just move and go to a bigger city from the city that I was in. I come from a very small city. Like the city that I was living in last year is a very small town. Actually, it's not even a city. So this year I just decided to take a gamble and just move to a bigger city. So I hope you can hear me. So what did I want to say? So yeah, I've not uploaded in 2 months. So what happened is when I moved to Johannesburg, I moved in like almost in the middle of the month, and I had to find a place and all that. I also had to buy a few things for the new place, and then so I'm still just trying to get used to the area. I'm still trying to adapt. I'm not yet used to the new surroundings. It's also a little bit intimidating. Like Johannesburg is a very big city, and I'm not yet like familiar with many shops, as they say. So I can't really like I just wake up and just say to go to Johannesburg to find some fabric. So I'm still trying to find like where can I buy my fabrics, where can I find new things like my supplies like for my crafting and things like that. So but hopefully eventually I'm going to get used to it and get used to the new area. So if you are in Johannesburg, I know I have a few people that watch me from South Africa. If you're in Johannesburg, please just let me know and let me know where you are, and then maybe we can link up or something like that. So this year, since I moved into a new place, it's also a bigger place than compared to where I was staying the whole of last year. So this year there's going to be lots of home DIYs. Like I'm gonna be making stuff for decorating inside the house. I'm gonna be using African print. I'm also gonna be using other fabrics as well. So just stay tuned and watch this space, because there's going to be a lot of like fun and exciting DIYs, like not just clothes or jewelry or accessories. There's also going to be a lot of like home DIYs. So since this is the beginning of the year, I'm also just going to ask you guys and request you guys to give me your tutorial requests, things that you guys would like me to do. I've also noticed that in as much as I have my own ideas, but you guys also have like really cool and awesome ideas. And usually when I get a video request, I get like more views on that. So it's really hard to know, for me to know like what you guys want, because I may want to do something that I really like and maybe something that I think you guys are like, and you guys don't even like that, and you don't even respond to that video at all. So this year I'm hoping for more growth on the channel. Currently we are at around 75,000 subscribers. The last time I checked, 75,000. So I'm hoping that this year hopefully we get to 100,000 subscribers and we get our silver play button. That would be so cool, you guys. So let's just thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope you guys just continue to show me the support that you've shown me throughout the years, even when I know like my videos are not that up to standard, and I'm still getting there in terms of quality and other things like that. But the more you guys support me, the more you watch and share and like and subscribe, the more I can also grow and the more I also learn. So I hope that this year is going to be an awesome year for me and you. So just keep on watching. So starting from tomorrow, I'm going to go back to my regular upload schedule. I try to upload every other day. I try not to like miss like days, but I'm going to try and be as consistent as possible in my content, and I'm just going from there. So thank you so much for this video. This video was just to let you know, guys, that I am back, and like I'm now ready for content making as long as you are with me. Okay, and now I'm rambling. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Don't forget to recommend to your friends, please.